how to change name in Facebook. So in order to do that, click on this three lines right here, and then from in there, click on this gear icon. Now, click on your Meta Account Center, and then from in there, click on your profile. Now, once you're on your profile, you can just head over and click on your Facebook profile right here. And then we have in here the option for name, so click on that. And then you can just name right here. You can change your name. For example, let's change it into Hub Guide C, and you click on this review change right here in order to change it successfully. As you can see, it's used on two profiles, which is your Facebook as well as Instagram. Another method to do that is to head over right here to your profile icon, and then click on this three dots, then click on this edit, and now we have in here the edit page, which is the profile picture, and a lot more. You can click on here about info. Now, alternatively, you can also add in here a nickname if you want to as well, which is this other names that we'll have right here. So that's how you change name in Facebook. Hope we help.